Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial. And in this video, we will be learning how we can fix the binkw32.dll missing error on our Windows 10 or Windows 11 for PC games. And so for that, the first method that we need to do is to manually download and install the DLL file. So we need to open a browser, and you can either have Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome browser. So once the browser is already open, all you need to do is just to go to the search tab, and there you need to type binkw32.dll space download, just like this one. Now once you click on this one, you will be getting all sorts of search result. So you need to scroll down and download the first available version. Now once you have already downloaded it, we need to extract the zip file, and since it's taking too much time to load this, okay, so we have now the binkw32.dll search results. Let me just quickly look for or click on the first search result here, the dllfiles.com. So my apologies because my internet connection is not that very good this time. So it's taking a while to load for this search result. And since we encountered an error for the first result, we will be proceeding with the second one. And we will be downloading the version from the second website. So once the file is already downloaded, all we need to do is just to extract the zip file. So let me just quickly look for this one. So now let's click on start download. So since it's taking a while for it to verify if I am human, then I'll just be saying to you on how you can do it once you have downloaded already the file. So please make a right click at the zip file and then select the extract all button. After clicking the extract all button, all you need to do is just to open the extracted folder to find the binkw32.dll file. Now once you have already found it, just open the file explorer that you have there and then click on this PC option and select the local disk C. Go to your Windows and then select the System 32 option, this one. And once you have already selected the System 32 option, all you need to do is just to copy and paste the binkw32.dll file into the System 32 folder. Okay, so paste it in here, and then after pasting it in this location, all you need to do is just to close this window, make a quick restart with your device, and you're good to go. Okay, and the next option or the next method is to open a browser, and we will install the DirectX file. So please open again your browser, and this time we will be searching here DirectX download. And then once you have typed it, just please click on enter. Now click on the first search result that will come from Microsoft and choose the preferred language. You can either have English or whatever language that you understand. Now you can now proceed clicking on download button there. And after download, you need to run the installer and accept the terms and uncheck the Bing bar there. So once you click on next, you will get there a Bing bar option. So please just uncheck it and then unselect it. After doing that, just complete the installation, and after completing the installation, you can now make a quick restart with your PC again and launch the game to check if the issue is fixed. And one of these two methods should resolve the binkw32.dll missing error. So that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.